I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is EOPPP.com legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, we can see that the site sells different varieties of products and they have collection like clothes, pants, lingerie, shoes, etc. They have also mentioned that they will provide free shipping on orders, and they have also given their coupon discounts here. They have also given their newsletter which you can subscribe to. Here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, American Express, PayPal, etc. as their mode of payment. So now let's check out some of the products. So here we can see that the products are quite discounted. They are having huge discounts here. The products look very much amazing. We can see that the products designs are very much trendy and comfortable as well. Now let's move ahead to shipping policy. So here they have mentioned that they can take around 7 to 15 business days to deliver your order. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS protocol, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 7th August 2020, which means it is approximately 1.5 months old, which is not a very good thing as new websites never have credibility. So now let's move ahead to About Us section. Here they have given some information regarding themselves, but the information given here does not look to be very much authentic, as we can see that they are having some copied content here, which is a bad thing. The prices of the products are quite discounted and they are also reasonable, and the payment methods are also sufficient. So now let's check out their Contact Us section. So here they have given their working hours only, and we can see that they have not given any other information regarding the contact service email ID, address, etc., which is a bad thing, although we can see ahead if they are providing that information in other page. Now talking about the social media presence, the site is having no social media presence whatsoever, which is again a bad thing. So now let's check out their refund policy. So here they have mentioned that they have 30 days of return policy, which is quite sufficient. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now talking about the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews whatsoever. The customer reviews were mostly of the people being suspicious of the legitimacy of this website, which is again a very bad thing. So talking about the website content quality, the website content quality does not look to be very much good, as we can see some copied content, lack of information and cropped images, which is not a very good sign. So giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you because it looks like a possible scam to us, because it is having no traffic, no valid information, copied content, and the site is also very new, so wait for a while. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.